Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. As you settle into this space, notice the gentle rhythm of your breath, inhaling and exhaling naturally, effortlessly. Let your awareness rest on the simple act of breathing right here, right now. Feel the air entering your nostrils, cool and fresh, and then leaving, warm and soft. This is your anchor to the present moment, a constant, steady companion that has been with you since your first breath and will be with you until your last. And now, bring your attention to the sensations in your body. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, the gentle pressure of your hands resting wherever they are, the subtle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Notice any areas of tension or relaxation that divert W. Meet just every of your hands resting wherever they are. The subtle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Notice any areas of tension or relaxation without judgment. Simply observe. As you hold that memory, notice the feelings that arise. The warmth in your chest, the softness in your shoulders, the gentle smile that may be forming on your lips. Allow these feelings to grow stronger, to expand. Kath, death. This is the feeling of pure presence. This is the feeling of being fully alive in this moment. Now, as you continue to breathe, I want you to imagine that this feeling of peace is a warm, golden light. A light that begins in the center of your chest. And with each inhale, it grows brighter. With each exhale, it spreads outward, pressed, flowing through your arms, your legs, your entire body. This light is your anchor to the present moment, a resource you can access anytime, anywhere. Now, gently bring your awareness to your hands. Press your thumb and forefinger together, just lightly. As you do this, feel the golden light intensify. This simple gesture is your anchor. Your personal signal to return to this state of presence. Practice this anchor now. Thumb and forefinger together. and feel the peace. Release. And again, press together and feel the stillness. Release. Each time you do this, the connection grows stronger. Now I am aware of my breath, my body, my surroundings. As we're surroundings, the really gathering, healed of well in the freed of my body and mind tilder thought, noted to change anything, my mina, no matter boitered filled, my tilder thought, no matter what cove this feather stores to this freedom. This is the gateway to deeper presence, state ever first, no pay to presence, dash do titings, the felder stored dublat, fos do store. I am connected to the eternal now. Logos Dei, you are part of this timeless flow. I am connected to the eternal now. Feel the vastness within you, the peace that surpasses all understanding. I am grateful for this moment. Gratitude opens the heart. Give noise a presence. Gratitude for your breath, for your body, for this opportunity to be alive, here and now. Grateful for this moment. I am the observer of my thoughts. Thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. You are the sky, not the clouds. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Thoughts come and go like clouds in the sky. You are the sky, not the clouds. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. Now power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. Watch them without attachment. They have no power over you. I am choosing presence over distraction. Watch them. I am embodying peace. Feel it in your entire being. Watch them, watch. Now, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let these affirmations settle deep into your subconscious. Like seeds planted in fertile soil, they will grow and blossom in their own time. You have done the work. Some Somandis. Go, we have done the work. This is your resource. Your reminder to return to now. Eon. Sometime. You have done the work. Oh, self sometimes stable, many things to so present. It's others moments I tom the work. Is fruit present to Delmare, moment of present side, moment present, sun, moment, moment, the gentle rhythm of your breath, the sensations in your body, the sounds around you. All of it to wieder it ausgrenzt, of your reminder to return to now. Release moment as we prepare to bring this meditation to a close. Take a moment to feel the stillness within you, the peace that has been here all along. The awareness that you are not separate from this moment.